Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will take a look at Movex and make some transactions to get rewarded in case of an airdrop. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. And now let's just jump straight into our video. Movex is the first decentralized exchange on Sui network. As you guys know, Sui network has a big hype. It might be one of the best projects of 2022, and we're trying to show you every opportunity on the Sui network. So first, we will need a Sui wallet for the transactions, and also some faucet Sui tokens to pay for the transaction fees. You can check out our Sui wallet tutorial video from the cards to learn how you can set up your Sui wallet and how you can get your Sui faucet tokens. After setting up your wallet and getting your faucets, open up Movex's website, and as always, all the links will be in the description box below, and click on Launch DevNet. And as you can see, we connected our Sui wallet to the Movex Decentralized Exchange. It might ask you to approve the transaction to connect your wallet. If you're trying to connect your wallet for the first time, just click on Approve, and then your wallet will be connected to the Movex Decentralized Exchange. And as you can see, we connected our wallet. Now we will need test tokens. Click on Claim Test Token here and claim your 500 USDT and DAI test token. So let's claim our USDT first. Click on Claim and approve the transaction. As you can see, it says claimed 500 USDT, and we will make the same transaction for DAI this time. Click on Claim 500 and approve. As you can see, we claimed our 500 test DAI too. Now let's click on DEX and start making some transactions. Now we will make some basic swaps. Let's choose USDT and we will convert our USDT to DAI. Let's convert our 500 USDT to DAI. I just wrote down 500 and click on swap and approve the transaction. And after converting our USDT to DAI, now this time let's convert our DAI to USDT. So let's choose DAI for this and USDT on this. So now let's click on swap and write down 500. Now let's click on swap and approve. So as you can see, we completed our swaps. Make this transaction as many times as you can, because the ones who interact with the website the most get the most rewards in case of an airdrop. So make as many swaps as you can in order to get the most rewards in case of an airdrop. Now after testing the swap, let's also create some pools. So click on pool, and we will firstly create a USDT to DAI pool, and then we will also create a DAI to USDT pool. So we chose USDT for this one and DAI for the second one. And now let's write 500 and click on supply and approve the transaction. So as you can see, we created our USDT to DAI pool. Now let's also create a DAI to USDT pool. So as you can see, now we're going to create a DAI to USDT pool. Let's click on supply and approve all three transactions. And as you can see, we created our DAI to USDT pool too. Now let's harvest these. Click on harvest and click on approve. So as you can see, we harvested our first one. Now let's harvest our other pool. And we harvested our pools too. And this way, we used and tested every function of Movex Decentralized Exchange. As I said, make as many swaps as you can and also create as many pools as you can in order to get the most rewards in case of an airdrop. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page, because we share very motivational quotes, important informations, breaking news, and everything there's to know about crypto world and business world in general. So make sure to follow our Instagram along with our other social medias from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.